Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to find your Facebook username, and now let's start right in. Now to find your Facebook username, first open up your Facebook app, and after that guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon with the three lined icons. Just below the messenger icon, tap on there, and after that you can see the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just beside the magnifying glass icon, tap on the settings icon and tap on the Meta Account Center, and again tap on Profiles, and again tap on Facebook, and over here guys tap on Username, and over here guys let this load. Over here you will find your Facebook username, and you will be able to edit it from over here also. And so guys, this is how you find your Facebook username, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.